Yeah, I'm a edit this black stuff behind. Yeah. Monday we didn't really go live, but we went live because we want to go live every Monday and through Thursday. Never miss a day. Tuesday, this is an actual live. Wednesday will actual live. Thursday is the actual live. We could have wrote some ideas down. He could have wrote some ideas down, but yeah. Oh, let's get into it. I don't know, man. It's like I be studying and studying, but we gotta stay disciplined. That's why I said sometimes you just gotta trade this in real time. Last week we went 1%. Look how many times we lost. We lost 11 times for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 for 11, and we still went positive. But the thing is, I am trying to get that winning rate at least at a 50, because even if it was at a 50, that's like three. That's almost, and then cut the losses. That's like 3-4% gain instead of 11 for 5 and still barely winning. It's crazy. And then now you see it's still, and we not really even winning hard. Like we back testing our strategy, sure. Like this week we went -2% because we took all these L's. But when you look back, the strategy worked. But how much L's? This was the crazy. This was crazy. I took too much L's. But I am going back to 0.25 because it's like it's not at a 50. Like I want a 50%. I'm gonna try. The thing is, I kind of believe in EI. I don't really believe in tree that much. As a tree is, you're gonna get 7 for 7, but we don't take all 14 trades. Like you could take 3 trades, and it's like I always been on the bad end of the stick. I never been on tree and I entered 3 trades and won them 3, and that's it. It's always I enter tree, I lose 2, win 1. It's kind of like point 0.7 point thing. You're a -4%. That ain't too bad. You catch an EI, that's gonna bring you up. I remember I caught an EI, lost 3 trees in a row. Well, 4 trees in a row, and then caught another win tree, which that made me a little bit above break even. So EI 3.5, tree loss, tree loss, tree loss. That's -3. Tree loss. That's -4 to the EI 0.5, 3.5, and then quarter tree 1.7. So it was a little bit of above break even, probably about 1%. As I can see this week, it wasn't that bad. Three wins, 4 W's. That's pretty decent. But we was doing 1-on-ones at the week 3. So no more 1-on-ones. And then let's see if we keep going. So week 2, let's see how week 2 did. Week 2, 3 wins. Damn, I don't. Now that I go back in time, I take way less often. Like I probably took like 3. I try to catch it. I really probably mainly, as you can see, I'm just trying to catch EIs if you really think about it. And I think maybe I should stick to that because EIs is very profitable. Because even if EI is 40-50%, as I can see right now, and the gold is about 50%, 30-40, but it's a 3.5. So even if I'm 2 and 2 off EIs, that's -2 plus like 7%. So that's like a +5. And then if you diminish that by 25%, that's probably like a 1.3. Yeah, it's probably like a 1.3%. If you diminish that by 50, I would want to do 50%. But as of right now, I was just catching L's after L's. I wanted, like, as I was doing 25, I was actually doing very good off the 25. Once I switched to 50, I started taking more trades. Like, look at this one. Boom. 10 is a thing. And I was counting this. Well, I was counting these as 1.2s too. That's crazy. So this probably was like 3% low key. This is not even 1.2. This is okay. So yeah. I'm counting these as 1.2, but look, as things go by, like 3, it really just get 3. Damn, 3. All right, let's see this. I think week 5 I stepped it up a notch because I'm like I tested so much, but it's like Yeah, catch one EI. You see, I caught one EI for the week and 4 trees, and then I don't know what this is. This could be EI and trees. And this week is one loss. That's not that bad, but for gold, I caught 3 losses. So three. You can see this last week 3, one EI, one tree. The loss, one EI. Damn, wait, hold on. This might be wrong then. So one EI, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. No, this is hella wrong. Unless what is it? It's no, it's right because 7. What do you call it? 7, 8, 6, 7. Probably 1 divided by 4. If that's a 0.25. Yeah. That's probably right. That's probably right. So yeah. I don't even know if this was Thursday or not. It must have been because Friday I know it won't no good. So yeah, I really don't. We could go dive in deeper. Oh my god, I won't even share my screen. That's embarrassing. Well, regardless what I was talking about, we probably talk about it another day. I go live on Monday through Thursday. I just gotta perfect my craft and see what I did wrong. So boom, we was talking about our stats. We was going over our stats. As you can see, we kept going higher and higher off of more trades taken, but it's not. It's still so weak 0.5, 0.37%. Now I'm gonna 1. Oh, we didn't look at gold, so we could see how gold did. Week 4, -1, 1, 2, 3, only 3 wins compared to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see, and this is what I'm talking about. I don't like that shit is nasty. Like, I don't want to go 3 for 11. I'm to a point, I'm getting kind of tired of this shit. Like, what made me go 3 for 11? Maybe was it because I took so much L's this day on Monday? And now let's go to this one. 4 for what? 3? That's okay. But why am I? Oh, because it's 25%. That's why I'm like, this shit don't. The stats don't look good, but I'm like, okay, I'm 25% because it's 5.4 take away 4, so it'll be like 1.48, probably like 1.2. So 32 is probably. I just But that's a little. That's like break, and then that's when we was doing 1. Now we're doing 1.7. So these stats it just get kind of worse. The stats should be getting better and better, but as you can see, -1.3. It's kind of not. But we're gonna see what we did wrong. Low key. Let's look at the 15. So today was kind of like I don't know what type of day it was. It maybe ranging on you. So boom. So we try to go for the sales. Boom. All I seen was L's bro. There. Like, look. So we go for the sell. Boom, boom, boom. L. We go for the buy. No, we go for the sell again. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. This might have been L. Yeah, this is a L. Boom, boom, boom. L. Okay, say you want to go. What the hell is this? Boom, 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 boom. Try to sell again. Lose. So that's 3 losses, 4 losses, 5 losses, 6 losses. What is this? Boom, 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 boom. What is this? A buy? Yeah, buy. 8 losses. 8 losses so far. Like, oh, I don't know. And then the thing is, I'm testing it. So I really want to test. It's about 8 losses we've seen today, just today. And Friday, it was nasty too. Friday and today was just nasty. But I'm trying to look at previous histories and it's showing me, okay, it is profitable. But these last 2 days, You see, this is why sometimes you got to take stats. I'm like, okay, maybe I could feel good because maybe it's just bad days. Maybe it's just bad days. Let's look at the market. Because losing sometimes it gets you like, okay, oh, I see ranging. So Friday, I don't think I traded Friday. So Friday could have been maybe a little bit more profitable. Let's see. Let's just go to here and see how much. So boom. Let's just look at Friday. So boom. So we probably looking for sales as of right now. So boom, sales. We just gonna quick scout some sales. So boom, that's a W. That's a W right there. Boom, 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 boom. Don't see nothing. Boom, 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 boom. Say you want to sell again right here. Might be an EI. So boom, let's see. Never hit. Never hit. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. It changed the directory of buys. So boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, L. Boom. Boom. Never hit. Boom, boom, boom. This is a L2. So 2 and 1. So 2 and 1. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. 3 and 1. 1 and 3. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Boom, boom, boom. 1 and 4. God damn. Boom, 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 boom. Probably want to take this one. So 1 and 4 as of right now. Let's just. Shit. It just get worse too. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe don't take this one, but you do take this one. 1 and 5. Boom, 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 boom. 1 and 5. So you just see 1 and 5 as of right now. So boom. Sent 2 and you probably won't even trade this shit. But, oh, it's 2 o'clock. 2 and 6. 2 and 5. I mean, boom, boom, boom. It goes up. I really wouldn't want to trade this, but let's see. 3 and 6. 3 and 5. I mean, see this one. 3 and 6. All right, don't take none of those. All right, take that one. 3 and 7. Okay. Okay. So you could say 3 and time is it? It's okay. This don't count. So 2 and probably 2 and 5. You're probably 2 and really just 1 and 5. So this is the only one you're probably winning, and we only won it because it was high. So this is like a trend following, but is the trend strong enough? That's what I'm basically trying to notice. Because the last few days, this shit ain't been working, and I could admit that. We going back, and we can even see trial and error. What I want to do, I've been studying this jump for about a month now, so I can see even when it's the 3 candles and it wakes up and wakes down, you can enter and you can lose. I want to go back to previous days and see if I can get the same stats as like week 2. Because week 1, week 2, that's when I made the strategy. But I'm in week 6. I know, Gary, I can look at it. Sometimes it'd be like a 3 candle, and then the 4th one, it will be red, but it will wake up and come down. That's a loss. And that happened to me today. So it just this is why trial and error and actually testing your strategy is very good. But as of right now, the shit ain't looking good. I really want to take the stats. Let's look at 30. Before I even look at 30, there's a lot of L's on 32. A lot of L's. I took 1 L, as you can see right here. I tried to get this quick entry in. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I probably could. Trying to see. L, boom, boom, boom. L, win, 30. I'm trying to even see. So boom, 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 boom. 3 wick, lose, wick, win, enter, wick, When okay, 30 kind of talking to me. Okay, 30 is kind of, it's maybe gold won't talking to me today. But 30 was killing me Friday and gold won't. And today, gold was killing me today, but US 30 was okay. Like boom, 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 boom. Enter off this. Boom, 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 boom. You enter, boom. Another entry right here. You win. Oh my god. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe you enter. Let's see. We might not enter. Nope. Don't even enter. And it's wait, 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 wait. Boom. Come here. Enter off this. Enter off this. Maybe I think you lose this one though. I don't think it even hits that. Oh, yes, it does. So boom, 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 boom. It hits that. Look how fucking beautiful fucking 30 is, bro. But how nasty you see. That's why it's like I think I really been getting a bad end of the stick. It's like I wish I had just a trading system that I could just trade every fucking setup. Because if I test every time and it's like which set now I gotta look at which setup is the fucking best because it's like it's to a point. I'm going 1 and 3, but it's like my strategy is golden. Like if I went, I could have went 1 and 3, okay. But if I took 5 more setups, I probably been 5 and 3 with the 1.7 and the 3 and catching the EI. I try to catch every EI, but I'm not crazy on catching every tree. If I miss a tree, I don't be. If I miss an EI, I'm gonna be hurt. But if I miss a tree, I ain't gonna be hurt as much. But you know what it is. Um, Now we're gonna dive in. That was our 5 minutes of yapping. I already wrote this one for the Monday, and I don't know. I call it a 2 shot. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with 530. I never even really trade 530 candles, and I would be scared to trade the 2 shot. Not the fact that I just don't like the 2 shot. I feel like it can be more profitable on a super, almost on any day. It could be more profitable or it could be more negative. I feel like it's way more setups to catch. But we going what's today? Tuesday? So we going. Stop, girl. Stop. What you doing? Girl, come here. What you doing? All right, get down. Move for you unplug the mic. Yo, 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 yo. Watch out. Nah, watch out. Watch out, girl. All right, so boom. We on 30. This is what it is today. I really don't like how it looks today. I don't know, man. We can say we in buys. We might be in buys. Yeah, we probably in strong. So we just follow the. This is just a truth. Too small. I want to answer that. It's too small. Probably wouldn't even catch that. It's happened too quick. I like that. I like that right there. So boom. That's a W. That's 1.7. That's 1.4. That gotta be 1.4. Yo. Let's keep that. So that's 1.4. So boom. Let's see. Maybe I don't. Let's just say if we lose, we lose. So boom. That's probably another one. Okay, 530 might just be the move. So boom, that's another one. You know what's crazy? I'd be like, bro, did 530 last Friday won like 8 in a fucking yeah, I don't know. Maybe Friday be like, man, we tired of doing the same setup. We gotta change this bitch up. But the market give you anything. So boom, that's one right there. Let's see it probably push down. Don't count. But boom. We're still kind of we still kind of buy bias. It's in a range of motion, but we just want to buy. Boom. Maybe, yeah, that's a L. You see? Like this, the niggas want kind of because we just see red. But look, check this out. 1, 2, doesn't hit this one. It hits right here. But as soon as it hits this, oh, we entering. So that's a L. You feel me? Back then, when I'm testing out week 1, week 2, I couldn't see that. I couldn't see, hey, is this an L? That's why I think I was more profitable back then than now, because I'm like, you can't see this. You can't. You just can't. And what I wanted to realize, add this in my repertoire is kind of like this. If I see a big it's above 50, that means it's buying because it wants to keep going here. That's what I have noticed on the 5. So this is our main. So this is what I'm trying to add. The so the buy or sell line. So so we got the let's go back. So boom. We make that let's see, green, buy, and then we can make sell. This is something I wanted to add. I didn't see no use to it, but maybe on tree. I don't see no use to it on fucking what's it called? On fucking I never see no use to it until tree. Maybe on tree, I want to get a better strategy to enter to be more profitable on tree. EI, I'm just taking it. EI. EI is actually a great jump. Just follow the trend, wait for it to tap twice. We wouldn't do this on no fucking. I wouldn't do this on no like maybe like a EI. I wouldn't do this, but maybe tree. I could look at the 5. Wake it out. I could look at the 5, draw my Fibonacci sequence, but guarantee if it's above here and it wants to, okay, it just froze. Oh my god, it just froze. It just froze, bro. Hold up. Okay. Whew. It just froze. Okay, I don't even know what happened. So boom. You see my fib to here. Oh boom, it's still in here. So boom, boom, boom. Maybe we could do this. Boom, boom, boom. It's in that sell echelon. So boom. Maybe we try to buy here, but you don't. We'll be in that sell echelon. So boom, we could delete it. So let me lose. We lose this one. So boom, 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 boom. It's in that sell echelon. It's in that buy echelons of the gold price. We buy, we lose. We lose. Boom. So boom. Let that continue to go down. You want to answer this. So boom, 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 boom. I'll go to 5 minutes. See what we got. So we 2-2 for so far. The gold. The gold. I'm just testing. This ain't even like I said. My live is just for me to be testing. Like maybe I'm trying to figure out how to make tree more profitable. Any ways to make tree more profitable? Because if the fib is above the 50 on this one, maybe we could find a smaller fib on this, the smaller time frame, and enter off that. You know, or maybe even like 15. So like this is above the 50. Maybe catch, but I don't know. It don't seem like it works. It doesn't. So like I'm trying to look. So 50. Yeah, I don't really see a lot of places you can even do that for. That's why I'm trying to do 5 minute, but it just doesn't seem very useful. So boom, because it can keep going down. So boom, boom, boom. Wake up. So you probably try to catch something over here. Wait, wait. I like that. So wick doesn't hit 50. Boom, 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 boom. You enter. And the answer doesn't answer. Uh, probably. Uh, delete this. So we delete this. Let's see. I don't know. We didn't catch. We didn't try to sell that, but I don't like it because even so, if we did, it's a boom, boom, boom. I like this because boom. I like this one because boom, answer still a sell. Yeah, just look at the market. I like this sell, but I didn't see it, so I'm not gonna count it. But boom, boom. Maybe now we can start selling. Let's see. Oh, what time is it? All right, so boom. Maybe this one. Try to buy this one because I don't really think. I really think I need to change the ER system. Prior to like 350. Let's see if I actually want to add another ER. I want to make it 350. What is this one? It's 200. I want to make it 350. Well, let's try 300. Let's make this. Maybe I want a different. Let's see. So boom. Let's try 300. Maybe 300 is better. But if it's because 200, yeah, if it's 300, we still believe in buys. Okay. Let's just try 300. Even so, like even look, boom, boom. Once it sells past the, all right. Once it's all right, let's see, it sold past the, boom, boom. It's trailing. It's trailing lightly. Buy, buy. Breaks down. All right, switch to sell. It breaks down for 300 again. Staying above. What is this? What number is this? 50. Oh, you don't have so 50. Uh, I really want to change this. Let's say 18. Yeah, I didn't have a small. Yeah, I need a small one. 15 year old. How 13 will look? Not like 18. Not like 18. Okay, nah, but 13 kind of show me it's moving like 13 is moving, range. It goes up, range. Got to come back down a little bit. I like 30. Okay. Let me see 18 again. Cause I'm just in my testing phase. I don't really like 200. I think I need more of numbers. 18. So 18. Boom. It don't hug as much. 18. I think I had 18 before. I like how 18 looks though. Like, but this is something I can boom. You can see 18 in a trending phase. Like, boom. Like it doesn't want to break that 18. But if 18 is like doing shit like boom, comes down, comes up, comes down, I can see it's like, nah, it's trendy. Okay, I like. Bro, I might lose fucking touch with this shit. Alright. So boom. What the fuck? So like low-key, you could have probably just straight buys. Yeah, straight buys on this shit. So boom, boom, boom. You can see it selling. It's waking up, waking up, waking up. So in this range of motion, it comes above, wakes up here. That's a nice little bar. Nice little bar. You just lose. That's cool. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, it comes back down. Comes back down. Comes back down. Wakes up. I like this one right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 wakes up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to keep testing it out, but I like it. Because the 200 and 300 is kind of the same, but let's see, like, you see how it's selling? Like, all right, let's so save this. Buy, wait, fake out. Sometimes you're just gonna have a fake out, boom, but it comes back here again. All right, sell. Wakes up, comes down, buy. Now sell. Okay, I'm not really, as I'm looking at this shit, I can't get too mad, but no, this is the day I went fucking bananas of losing. This is the day I think I changed. Did I change the buy now? Oh yeah, I did change the buy. So buy. I try to buy. Maybe this just won't today. Boom, buy. It went back to sell. Boom, boom. Like everything was just fucking losing this day. Everything. I don't you know what? I'm gonna stick to 200. I'm gonna stick to 200 for now. Let's see. Ooh, that kind of changed the game. Let's see how 200 look on that day. It's kind of telling me I need more data for this shit. I don't want 4 EMAs on my chart though. That's the crazy thing. So boom, boom. Like let's go back to 3. Can I see 3 again? I'm just testing. Like I should have been doing this. So 3. Can I see 3 again? So boom. Buy. Break, sell. Buy. Break, sell. And fill. Let's see. Buy. Break, sell. Let me see 200 again. It's it looked like 300 is better. Like, cause 300, like 300. Oh my gosh. Let me see 300 right here. How would 300 look right here? I would see that. I just want to see how 300 would look on this day. Let's see. Kind of looks the same. Ranging. Okay, you can say this is actually a ranging market. It's cutting right through. Boom. So buy. I'm gonna keep. I don't want to keep changing, so I'm gonna stay with 200 for now. I'm gonna stay with 200. I just needed to add my other junk in because 200 is no real big like You get the more wick outs on the 200. Don't get me wrong, but it's like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, but we 2-2. Really could have won more, but 2-2. We're not gonna count more because we gotta. It's to a point. I'm not even trying to do this shit no more. Like it's to a point. I'm not trying to add the loss. If I didn't see the win, I just didn't see the win. Or if I do see the win, I gotta go back like how I see the win, how I see the losses. I might just do that and low key because that's every setup. So yeah. So now let's go. This is 30 today. Let's see what we get. Then 30. I think we took one trade around this time. Oh yeah, I said the EI is bound to happen, and probably did happen. So boom. Let's see if there's any trees coming in. Boom. We probably try to catch that tree. That's a tree. So boom. L. I knew that I won't gonna take this tree. I won't. Something told me not to take this shit because is it the EI? I like the EI that was forming. So boom. There's an EI. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, this is nah, because it's so boom, boom. So tree. What's up? I see this three. Really a two. Let's see. Even if we entered off two, probably lose. So I just count it as a loss. Boom. I count that as a loss. Boom. No, nothing we can catch. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Maybe. Yeah, I try to enter this. I think I did enter this shit, but the I don't know. Something was wrong. I knew it was gonna drop again. So boom. Drops again. Drops even harder. You can see EI kind of form. So this is why I used to love the small one because it's like, all right, it's giving a structure. All right, it's touching here. So boom, boom, boom. No, no incredible stuff right now. So boom, goes back up. Damn. You see how some days the trees just don't be happening. How much? Ooh, because I took another tree soon. Okay, sooner or later I did take a tree. So I'm like, what the fuck? It was just no trees. Like I won't take this one because it's not a okay. Okay. Yeah, no trees was happening at this point in time. The EI did happen. Glad I caught that EI. So boom, 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 boom. What the fuck made me take this tree though? Was it a sale I was trying to get? The fuck? Let's see. Thought it was two red candles. What the fuck made me? Was it? Was it a blue candle? I think it was. No. Oh, this right here. This. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. You know what? That's not bad. I don't really mind that loss. It looks good. It looks good. This loss look good. Too many nights I ain't nameless. The crazy thing is another one popped up. And look, another tree. Now a tree wins. You see? L L. So let's see. No trees is formed against us. I don't know about this tree. Like, I probably want to take this. Okay, this tree is a little lower. If the tree pops up, I don't mind it. I wouldn't have took that tree. I promise you. So boom, I'm accustomed to taking this tree. So it goes to 50. So boom, I'll take that one. Let's see. I don't even know where this shit starts. So boom. I don't know if I lose, but we can keep playing it. So boom, that's a W. Don't lose. You gotta keep your jump tight. You gotta keep your jump tight. Street means just don't work no more. I said L. I don't know. Probably. He probably wouldn't take that. Let it drop, let it snow, let it start. So we're 5-5. Everything is really kind of break even ish. So let's see. Let's go to calc. We might just have to stay 0.25 for the point time being because we lose 4 in a row. We only it's 2%. We can't really trade. So if we lose 4, it's 1.20. It's 1%. We still trade more. I might have to add it to 3.3%. What the fuck is that? Or 1.7 times 5. Take away 5. This is 3.5. This is 3.5%. That's the only thing about the you can't lose as much. I see what now I'm starting to see what people was talking about. Like you can't risk as much because 3.5, I would still risk 1% every time. Every time. I risk 1% every time. Even if I lose 7 in a row. 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Because 3.5 divide that by 4. You're not even getting a percent on your account, even if you took everyone. But 0.5, it's like to a point where you might hit the draw limit at 5 losses and then win 4. But that's what I've been seeing. I've been catching 3 L's in a little, So -1%. And then 1.7. 1.7 times 2, take away 2, 1.4. 1.4%. So boom, this is what we got for today. 3.5, 1.4, 1.4. You just need a hot day. Too many nights I went famous. So what is it? Probably 7. I'm glad I added this. Why the fuck did I take the EMA off? This EMA is actually kind of helping because it's like holding. Like, don't trade if it's that low. That's what it's telling me. But, let's go. Probably a loss. Not a loss. Yeah. Maybe a loss. Well, I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying it ain't strong enough. It sells, right? Don't take it yet. All right, I like this one. It's too many nights. It's too many nights to get you famous. Well, I don't like that. It's too many nights. It's too many nights I went famous. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I still take it if it goes down. But boom, it starts again. Doesn't touch. Boom, boom, boom. I take it. It doesn't really. This is a good one too, though. I'm scared. I know I was scared for a reason. I'm scared for a reason. You can't unless you. You can. I don't really like this one too much. Nah, I don't. I don't. I wouldn't take this. Hell no. Nah, hell no. Because it does come back. It always comes back to this point, but you just don't know when. There's too many nights on the nameless. At least this is like a. If it's break even, like if it's break, I'm cool with a break even day. Like if it's 2 and 2 is 1.7, that's cool. Like this, you just catch one more. Boom, boom, boom. This is, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Let's just say we don't answer that one. What about this one? We might answer that one. Boom. I don't. Oh shit. Let's see. Yeah, that's a loss. You know what? Fuck it. Uh, there's a loss too. So about two. Let's just write two loss. Write two. Fucking not enough space. Boom. This is I don't care. We just gonna. It doesn't even matter because it's still within a tree. So you want to take one. If you want to be realistic, you can just take one and put one on tree. If anything, it doesn't matter. All right, let's go. Nothing. Nothing. Uh, I don't know. Let's just say you take it. But, probably did take it anyway. So it seemed like something I'll take. Huh? I didn't take it. The fuck? Oh man. Well, okay, I couldn't have took it because it's not a three. I'm tripping. I'm really trying to be realistic too. I thought this was. It seemed like it was red. Yeah. Mm, so you know when I took it. Still an L, but damn. This is I took this one right. I had to take this one. I seem like I took this one. Fuck, why is it? Okay, it looks different. Okay, let's see. Too many nights I went nameless. There's too many nights I went famous. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Alright, another one is spawned. Does this work? Oh yeah, that's an L. I know it's hella L for the day. Oh, and that was an EI. So boom, boom. That's an EI. So people are trying to find that as an EI. So whoa. Which one? Delete all this shit, man. We won one tree. Fuck that. We might not have won that one. So. Well, where did I enter from? Okay, that's pretty clean. Okay, so take off that EI and so take off that tree. Just put a loss for EI. I don't really like this, so we just not like. Even though I probably did take it, did I? Did I? No. So okay, I just didn't take it. Smart enough for me. Shit. Yeah, I just didn't take this one. So, that's clean. That's a clean one, right? Took this one. Seemed like I did. Wow, this is L. God damn, bro. God damn, bro. Yeah, I ain't even taking that. That's what I took. I took three. Okay. Okay. Shit. This ain't it's not. Let's watch this thing. Wait, wait. Let's see. Break style. No realize. Form against us. Not gonna take nothing. Nothing happens. At most, we might not take this. We might not. Say we don't. But then, let's see where we actually find. Okay, maybe I just want to entry too. Yeah, I like that entry. I really do. I like that entry. I do. Oh my god, this shit is nasty. Bro, this shit is nasty, bro. Don't. Let me see, man. This don't even hit, bro. This shit is disgusting, bro. Boom, boom. Oh, nothing happens. So boom. Let's see. It goes to 50. We sell. We sell. Oh my fucking god, bro. It's just not. Let's see this market, bro. Ranging. It might just be. I think that's the problem. This shit just might be a rangy motherfucker. Yeah, it's just ranging. What happened? Is it the 23rd? It's like every Friday. No ERs. Our tree was high. You see, let's see this one, 22. All right, this one's kind of rangy. This one, uh, this one push, okay. This one push, okay. All right, but I'm noticing this shit starting to lose hard. 4, 6. don't think it. You don't see no boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's see. I don't even think this is profitable. But it is. Shit. I don't even know if I want to count this shit. This shit, let's see. If it lose, we just gonna count the that shit is sad. This one's more clean. Now I count this one, okay. And I don't even think this would be an L. Bro, I don't know, bro. That would have been an L. I'm trying to be, bro. I'm trying to be on a nice side right now. Really just be like, I don't know if I would have took this, but I would have took this. And it's an L. You know what? Let's just write that L, bro. We're not gonna get no better if we just say we got one W. That shit don't make that shit not gonna make a difference. Fucking hell, bro. You telling me we gonna take that one? It's not nowhere close. Yeah. The day is over, bro. 2 o'clock. Day over. Yeah. We don't know this other, bro. I didn't see no W's, bro. Something is up. What time is it? It's 4. Probably done trading. -7. Tree is looking like a. I don't like how it's looking right now. I don't. I actually want to go back. Usually when it's positive, I'm. This is probably -2, 1.7, 3.4%. It's the worst day. I had bad days. Don't get me wrong. I think I only had one non-profitable day. I think this is the second, the third, but that's every system. So like this one I didn't like this day either. It's -4. Yeah, saved the day. Yeah, okay, ruined the day. It's like 2, -1, 1+1. This is okay day. Very okay day. -2, -2, 3, negative day. 3, 3, -2. I don't know. Yeah, man, I don't. It's probably the worst day, bro. -8%. Divided by 4, that's 2%, bro, in a day. So for 30, got 3.5, 1.1, 2 shot. One EI doesn't work. I don't be too mad about the EIs. I'm not mad at it because EI don't show its face every day. So if it lose one, like, all right, lose one. Like, say if you do EI 1% every day, I don't mind doing so 1, 2%. You know, damn, -3%. Damn. All right. So 2, so all right, 1 for 4. 1 for 4 for EI, 3 for 5. Now you up. 3 for 4. 3 for 6. 5 for 8. 5 for 8. 7 for 9. 7 for 9, 7 for 9, 7 for 9, 10 for 14, 10 for 14, 11 for 19, down. Yeah, I don't. Something gotta give, bro. Then look at this tree one day. 3.7.4.79. The tree for 30, it's been more forgiven. I can say that. It's more 50%ish. Except this day. But it was one day, I think, all right, this day. Yeah. This day was fucking crazy. This would have been a crazy day. Like, I don't know if this tree is good because it's 1% is the 1 6. It might just seem 1 or 2. I don't know. Since 1.4, so look, positive. That's 50. That this don't push it to 50, and that's 50. So it's like 45%. The EI probably like 45%. Man, I don't know, man. Something is gonna have to give. Because I'm not. I don't. Do I want to go back in the challenge? And it's like it don't make me. The thing about demo fucking like taking demo shit, it doesn't really make me like. It don't make me take it as serious. That's why I buy challenges sometimes. Like at least I could pass. And if I fail, I fail. But it's like the demo. It's like it makes me not want to do this shit for real. Like it don't make me want to actually catch setups. But do I have a setup from the last days? It's like negative. All right, let me look at the percentage. It's like even if the percent, it's like the thing is -1. Let's count the -1, 2. I counted these, but the thing is real shit. The thing is real shit. I don't mind too much on the EIs. It's the tree. Cause I don't take like even if the tree is a higher percentage, don't get like 7, like 7. This cancels out. This is 7%. This is 5%. All right, this is all right. Let's say 5. This is 6, 11. Let's just say 5, 6, 11. 14.5. 14.5. 18.5. We have this 18.5. Is it does it add like the tree? If you can take every tree, it's gonna be more efficient. But say we only take 3 trees and we just lose that. The only time tree could actually like benefit us. I'm not too worried about EI because even if EI is 8, like I said, 3%, 8%, -2, -1, 2, 1, 2, fucking 5%. 5%, probably 5.2%. Like I said, like what I said, it was like a 45% when I got to here. You feel me? But it's still positive, like you feel me? Like all right, boom, 3% negative. Even if this is lost, -2%, 3% makes up the next day, -1%, 0, 2%. 9%, 6%, -2. So this is probably like a 40%. But damn. So damn, I just went through this whole shit. So this was probably like it seems like a 40% win rate as I'm looking at it. I really want to count this. This is outrageous. So I'm counting. I gotta see the percentage of this. Eon. So let's see. So 1, 4. So 4. So 4. Until I forget 4. So 3. So Eon. Let's just say 3, 4. I'm not gonna remember. Let's see. 2. No. Yeah, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3 up, 3 up, 3 up, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4 up, 4 up, 4, 4 up, 4 up, 7, 7. What is this? 8, no. 4 up, 7, 9, 7, 9. So stop right there. After 9. So 12, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 6, 11, 6, 11, 11. 2 losses, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Around 3, 6. 3, 6. Okay. I have to add all of this up. So for the whole month, let's see. So 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 equals 19. So you won 19 setups. Boom. 4 plus 9 plus 11 plus 6 plus 30. So 30. So how the hell you do this? Oh, let me see how to find a minute. Let me see. Just pop up. No. Okay, so 19. So what is it? 19 count. 19 divided by 30. 30 divided by 19. 30 divided by 19. 19 divided by 30. So, okay. 19 divided by 19. 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 19 divided by 41. 39 times 100. So it's a 38% energy. With 3.5. You say 3.3. Kind of trash. Loki, this sucks. This sucks bad. This sucks. It's profitable, but it ain't good. Like it's only a 1.5 RR profit. It's probably like a. Don't get me wrong. It's a 1.5. It's like a. I'm not trying to guess on y'all. So let's see. You will always get more than a 3. So this is what the EI is. It's a 38% win rate of this whole month. So I don't like that. I wanted at least I was looking towards 45, in all honesty. So it's about, this is the advantage you get. Sometimes I enter 4. I would never enter for 3 to 3. If it's a 3 to 3, I don't want it. It would be let's just say a 3.5. We being fair and generous. So it's a 3.5 RR. It usually be plus. So let's just say 3.5 RR. So a net profit of 1 is a plus. It would be like a plus. I think I gotta figure out the math. Let's ask ChatGPT. Profit if set up that's 4 over 1 or with what's the net? If I check within 38% win rate. Sorry, I gotta use ChatGPT. Duh, nigga. I want to know the fucking profit I can make. Okay, so win rate reward. So my win rate. So the award is 3.5. One, the win rate 38%, lose rate. Yeah. So I heard 3. 2 plus 1. 3. Lose rate, take away 1. So it'd be a profit. An average profit of 1.71. That's fuck. Fuck. Shit. So it is profitable. EI is profitable because I can really catch every EI. I can't catch every tree, and that's the thing I'm scared of. Oh fuck! The thing is, if EI happened way more, I wouldn't. Fuck. So the profit is 1.71 off the EI. So this whole month, if you take every EI setup, if you take every setup, you are profitable. Don't get me wrong, but it's a 1.71 profit rating. So it's not a it's not nothing crazy. I don't like it. I really don't. You're profitable. Most strategies ain't profitable. But and this is my well statistic strategy. I thought it was going to be at a 45% win rate, but I took it up. This whole setup for this whole month, it was 38%. Maybe it is a 38%. This is for US 30. For gold, I think it's a 45. For US 30, it's a 3.8. It's a 38% win. It's a 38% chance it's going to win with a 3.5 RR. So that's tough. I was looking at a 2-point profit rating. If you have a 2-point profit rating, that means it can double your money. I'm not saying this can double. So if you have $1,000, a 2-point profit rating means you could gain $2,000. This means you could gain half of that. No, not half, a little bit 70. So if you have 1,000, you gain 700 with a 1.71 profit rating. 1.71 profit rating, you gain $700 in that whole month. That's not bad, but to pass a challenge, it takes too long. Like as in, and even so, they want you to gain 8%. So it would have took you a whole month, maybe to pass the challenge. Step one, it would have took you 1 month just to trade the right way at that too. It would have took you 1 whole month to pass the challenge. Every setup I took, and I did pass step one with one of the prop firms, but they tried to ban my shit, man. They say I was over trading, but I took every jump, so I had to make a new prop firm for another company. They held down the grind, but I'm still on step one on my second one, 1.7. Uh, you can look for another pair that's going to give me 2. That's what I'm looking forward to do. US 30 with a tree setup, it's probably a 2 profit. I need more data and statistics to tell. But gold, I want to do gold now. That was great. I had to. So gold, this is 30 US 30. This is for the whole month. This might help me for my video. Oh, I am making a video tomorrow. I'm supposed to be making a video today of the prop firm passing challenge, me just making skits. But this can help my video for Friday. But fuck, or I can make a video. I can make 2 videos tomorrow. But let's see gold, bro. Oh my gosh, this is not good. It's profitable, but it's going to take entirely too fucking long. And you don't even trade 1%. You trade 0.5. So you won't even pass this shit. I think I would just had a hot hand when I traded the other account. You have to gain 8%. And then when I was trading the other account, I was just winning. This is probability and statistics. You can't be better than nobody. You just follow the rules, and that's what I hate about fucking traders. It's a statistics game. I could be fucking negative, or this whole month I could be 38%, but next month could be 47%. I don't know, but as long as it's profitable, it's a good strategy. That's why I say fuck with the strategy. But if you want to pass a challenge, it's gonna take long, and I'm maybe being greedy for asking for a 2-point, but that's what we fucking need to actually pass a challenge. You need a 2-point profit rating. You can pass with you can barely pass with a 1 with a profitable strategy because you go on the losing streak. You still go on the losing streak, you might still be good with this while trading risk management. Now we're gonna do gold. And with gold, gold is more friendly towards this. I'm looking for at least a 45% with a profit factor of 2. 2. I took out all the stats right here. Boom. I was really gonna do this fucking Friday to tackle because it's every fucking joint. Yeah, every live I did this whole fucking month, I calculated everything. So boom. We're gonna start from the beginning. This moves too slow. And look, I did the stats. The EI is fucking crazy. So we already know the EI is crazy. It might. I wouldn't be surprised with the EI of this one. So we're starting from here. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 1, 2 3, 3 5, 3 5, 5 6, 5 6, 6 6 8, 7 10. All right, 7 10. Let's do 7 10. 7 10. So all right, boom, 7 10. 3 2, 3 2, 3 2, 3 2, 4 4 3, 4 3, 6 4, 6 4, 7 6, 7 6, 7 6, 7 6, 7 6, 10, 10. 7. I'm forgetting the number, so all right, 10 7. So 10. Oh my God, this is 50 right now. Shit, if this is 50, that's a profit factor. Oh my God, y'all won't want to hear the profit factor. That's why I say EI is good for gold. I've been noticed that. 1 2, 1 2, 5 3, 5 3, 5 5, 5 7, 5 7, 5 7, 6 8, 6 10. So 6 10. 6 10. All right, let's go. 2 2. No, the odds is formed against us. 2 1. Damn, that's it. Okay, 2. That's it. Damn, that was quick. All right, yeah. 2 1. So 2. Oh my God, this might be crazy. I like this one way better. So count. Let's get the calculator out. 7 plus 10 plus 6 plus 2 is 25. So it wins 25 times and 28. That is so fucking good. That's almost a 50% win rate with a 3.5. Oh my God. Fuck, that's almost a fucking 3.5 factor. God damn. I'm just doing the math in my head. That's almost a. You see how this one was a 1.7? That US 30? This is about to be like a 2.8. That's why I said, oh, I knew gold. I always knew gold was good for the fucking EIs, though. That's how I created it. I'm like, bro, I keep seeing bing, bing, bing. I keep seeing it. So I'm like, damn. And it's 25 wins, 28 losses. Please. In trading, you got to learn how to lose, but you got to learn how to make money. We lose 100, we win $350. That's why we lose more for anyone. And imagine if it was break even. What if it was 25 and 20? Oh my God, that would have been a 3.5 factor. But let's go. All right, so sometimes it'd be 4 3. My 3. So you won the 3.5 RR. Really, it'd be 3.3 or higher, but it never really be 3.3. I really say 3 on the jump, like how you see 3.1 R. It's really always higher than 3.3. It's always higher than 3.3. But 3.3, I didn't want to type that shit. That shit look nasty. So 25 divided by what is it? 53? 53 times 100. So it's a 40%. So it's 47%. 47% win rate for the 3.5 RR. And we're about to figure out the profit factor. Hold up. Let me type it in chat GBT. So chat GBT. I'm surprised. So what's the net Let me see. What's the net profit? What the fuck did I write? What's the net profit if my setup is 3.5 over 1 RR with a 47%? When is it? 47%. Then wait. The net profit probably crazy. Let's see. Let's see what ChatGPT say. Let's see what ChatGPT say. So it's saying it's too. Hold on. They saying it's a very strong setup and a very high win for. They ain't say that for 30. They just said it was okay. They said it's a profitable strategy. Look how they said this one. They saying it's a very strong. They saying it's very. I created this shit on gold though. I was just waking up every night. This is a very profitable set. The Chat GBT saying it. You feel me? So I think I don't. Bro, what's the profit rate? How I pop up the profit rate of? Let's see. What the hell is the profit rate? I think it's not really telling me. It's double. Okay. What is this? So it's 2 point. I think it's 2.300. Hold up. What's this? I hate how ChatGPT does this shit. Win rate award, lose rate award. So it's a 2 point. Okay, I'll see what it is. So it's a net profit of. Let's see. Okay, I see what they talking about. It's a net. It ain't a 3. Oh fuck! It ain't a 3 though. Huh? Why isn't it a 3 though? Oh, because it's 50-50. So if you win and then okay. So it's a profit of 2.11. Boom. My pen is going bad. So it's a profit of this 2. Fuck, this shit look nasty. 2.115. Oh my god. So basically, the first profit is 0.71. You'll win $1,000. You win 7,000. Yeah, 7,000. This one, you would have doubled your money. That's why I won off gold. You would have doubled your money or for 2.115. So that's basically double your money and some. Like, so if you have 1,000, you probably would have won a whole month. You would have won $1,100. And then gold, you'd have won 700. So low key, this is not really. That's why I say it's not bad. I just don't like 30 because gold is so fucking good. So we could write this. We could leave this right here. Such a good strategy. But yeah, I'm done for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here, baby.